Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel Siam's Tutorials, and today I'll be teaching you the introduction to HTML. I am Siam Aftab and I will be your instructor today. And today the topic would be Introduction to HTML. Now, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And this is used basically for every single website or web page you've ever visited. So now we'll be talking about how these things are made. First of all, you need to make a text file that would be something like this. The extension would be .html. So to create this, you will go to a new text document and rename it with the extension HTML. For this, I would like to write new.html, and that would transform into an HTML file. And if you go to the new.html, it would show you where it is saved. In this case, in our C drive, and in the desktop we have it. And now I'll show you how does it work. But first of all, let me delete this one. We don't need it. And HTML has some specific syntaxes to work with. With these syntaxes, you can work with any HTML file or any place you want to. First of all, let me show you the first one. It is still an empty one. So how can we work on it? We can write the HTML tag, and there would be a lot of things you can see on the screen right now. The first thing is the doc type HTML. And this is the first and foremost thing of HTML5's work. And you can see the HTML begin tag and the end tag. The beginning tag works with the HTML tag, and that would mean everything in between is under the influence of the HTML tag. And whatever I write, it is within the reach of that page. And this, anything you write will be displayed in the middle of this page, in this white void. For this instance, we can write a body. Just let's write HTML in the middle of it, and let's write the why is this abbreviated HTML? Let's write it. Write it. So let me save it first, and then let's reload it. There you go. You can see hypertext markup language. Even the equal sign is over there. So that is the beginning of your of HTML. Whatever you write in the middle of here prints. Let's write Tom Cruise, and let's reload that. You can see Tom Cruise is over there. So this is how in the middle of the body you can write anything and it prints. And so if we think about it, what should we write over here that works or that matters? The beginning of the things are the title. There is some work in the title. And if you begin working, and you can see that there is test.html, the HTML file, and then you can see the file path over here. And the title works as the same way. If I can write that it is home, and let's see what happens. This thing has renamed itself as home. So whatever you write in the title, it changes as home, or whatever you write in between of it. So if this happens, then see, town. So this is how you work with HTML files at the beginning. And for the people who don't understand what happened right here, I just wrote HTML here and just pressed enter, and everything right here appeared. And if you want to know how you can do that, you can go ahead and download Sublime Text. You can search for it and you can find it. You can download it and work with it. It is entirely free and you can use it anytime you want.